So as we start up today, we do not have new notes. We still have our notes from yesterday, but we still are going to want to be able to reference our conversions on 19. And I added into Classroom, so you can use it as well, a larger chart of common conversions. So if you need some extra help on something and you're not sure, go over to Classroom on the mainstream and this could help you out as well. I want to jump into some of these that I know aren't necessarily going to be on your sheet, at least your original conversion factors, to make sure we're all right. So I'm going to start here at number 3. So we're going to convert 4 gallons into cups. So if I go to my conversion factors, I'm like, I see gallons, but I don't see any mention of cups. So couple of things to keep in mind here. So if I look on this new conversion factor, it says that 16 fluid ounces is a pint and a pint is 2 cups. So if 16 ounces is 2 cups, and I want to know what's in 1 cup, 1 cup is going to be 8 ounces. So if 1 cup is 8 ounces, we're going to start with gallons here. And I want to make gallons go away. So, how many ounces are there in a gallon? I'm like, dang, my volume over there doesn't even help. So, one more conversion that Herdy is going to help you with here. So, 4 quarts is a gallon, 2 pints is a quart. You're like, oh my gosh, why can't they just be forward? I know. So, 1 quart is 2 pints. 1 pint is 2 cups. Cup is 8 ounces. So 1 pint is 16 ounces. So 2 pints, or a quart, would be 32 ounces. And 4 quarts, or a gallon, 4 times 32, is 128 ounces. So let's see here. Gallon is 128 ounces. So the gallons are gone, okay. But now we want to turn ounces into cups. Well, thankfully we have that right here. So ounces to cups. Now we're ready to go ahead, and of course Herdy doesn't have a calculator in front of him. This is always fun. I will be right back. Still here. I'm coming. Okay. So now I get in here and I'm like, all right, let's see here. 4 times 128 is 512 divided by 8 would be 64 cups. And again, if you want to go with the colors and stuff, you can. You may not get the exact colors here, so you'd have to pick what those are going to be, but that's what that's going to look like. So let's see here. Miles to feet, miles to yards. Yeah, we're okay there. So we've got that. I think I'm going to get you guys copies of this. We're going to get you to help. Hours to minutes, yes. Okay. I'm just making sure I'm not doing anything too crazy here. Ooh. Okay. Let's play with this one. Convert 17 miles per gallon into feet per gallon. Okay, we want to keep the gallons. We want to eliminate the miles. So miles, and we're trying to get to feet. So 1 mile is 5,280 feet. Goodbye, miles. Feet to gallon. Well, that wasn't bad at all. 5280 times 17. That's a lot, though. 89,760. Okay. what else we got here. Let's play with at least one more. 3 cups a day to ounces per week. Okay. So 3 cups per 1 day. Ounces per week, so we want to change both of them this time. So we want to turn cups into ounces. Okay. Well, we just did that one over here before. 1 cup is 8 ounces. So goodbye cups, we have ounces, that's good. Days we want to go away. This one I don't need a chart for. I'm trying to turn days into weeks. So wait a minute, I don't want 1 day then, I want 7. Because I want the days to go away. Ounces per week. So let's multiply those together. Get 168. So I believe the rest of these, oh wait, nope, I might found one more. Hang on. Tractor trailer can haul 36,375 kilograms of materials. How many tons can be carried by 5 of these? Okay. Do we have the help we need on this? So let's see. Kilograms. Okay. 1 ton is 1,000 kilograms. So 36,375 kilograms. But 1,000 kilograms equals 1 ton. Kilograms. So let's see here. 36,375 divided by 1,000 is 36.375. But this is going to be interesting. How many can be carried by 5? So when in doubt here, I say we round up because I have a feeling that we just ended up a little bit off due to some things that were out of our control. So let's see. I'm just looking to see if there is. Yeah, because we're going between metric and American units. So we're gonna go with the closest here because I think that's what we did. We went back and forth, and that's not gonna work. Well, heck. That should be the only one that it happens for, though. If you want to do the coloring as you go on 23, you can. I'm not going to require that. It just kind of lets you see if you're going well. And if you want a little bit of a challenge, there's a riddle maze here at the end that you do your conversions, and then the answers coming off of it. So this first one would be 5,000 or 0.005. And you work your way through the maze until you get to the end, taking note of the letters as you go to solve the riddle. So if you're looking for something that has a little more interest to it, and you could actually get a riddle answer out of it, you could do that for some extra points as well. I will be back tomorrow, and we'll see you then.